Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have today a video that was requested by a friend. She is a busy mom like myself, and she asked me, Celeste, how do you have time to put on makeup? That is a good question. How do any of us have time to put on makeup? So today I want to show you a very quick routine that I use. She also specifically asked me if there was a cream highlight that came in a stick. And I am pleased to say there is a cream highlight that comes in a stick. This is Neutrogena's Hydroboost Illuminator that I just picked up at, where else but my favorite place, Target. Why? Because it is Target. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Fond de Teint en Bâton. So they make a very popular gluten-free, quick to put on liquid foundation, but this is in a stick. So if you're looking for things that you can just throw in your purse, this is a stick, this is a stick. All right, so things I'm going to use. First of all, I'm going to use this foundation, it comes in a stick. I'm going to use this highlighter, it comes in a stick. I'm going to use this blush. Okay, I guess that means 3 brushes. So this, and this brush. And then I'm going to be using all mascara. Any mascara will do. And a 6-pan eyeshadow palette. So this is my Pixie eyeshadow palette that I use. It could have been any of my small, you could use a little Milani palette. Milani is a great drugstore brand. You can use an e.l.f. palette. You could use a Tarte palette. They make cute little palettes like this. They have travel palettes. We're going to start with our foundation and our beauty blender. Let's go. I'm going to put this on like there's no tomorrow. And you're like, but what about concealer? Meh. Concealer's overrated sometimes. If you only have 5 minutes to get ready in the morning, don't bother. Some people will say, but concealer is the thing that makes everything come together. Well, yeah, maybe. Maybe that's true, and maybe you're going out, and maybe you have time for that. And maybe some days you don't, and that's okay. We're not talking about looking like a movie star here. We're talking about looking like, oh, and I forgot lipstick. Yeah, we're gonna need lipstick. Don't worry, we'll throw that on at the end. I always have like 16 of them in my purse, so I always sort of forget that part. Sorry. But if you're a mom, you know the feeling you have of having like 16 of everything in your purse. Like 16 chapsticks, 16 lip balms, 16 rattles, or things that used to rattle and no longer do because you couldn't stand it anymore and you accidentally left the thing open that let all the little beads out on the bottom. Or did you know that Sophie Giraffe used to squeak? Yeah, that happened to us a couple times. Sorry, Sophie. I mean, she still makes a great teether. All right, how's that face? Great, lovely, lovely, lovely. You look presentable. You might look kind of like a ghost, but don't worry, we're getting there. Next step is going to make you not look like a ghost. All right, we've already used up 1 whole minute just sticking foundation on our face. That's okay, it's called foundation for a reason. It's the whole foundation of what everything else looks like. And I can get away with not doing my eyebrows on a regular basis because my eyebrows are pretty good. If you need eyebrows, buy yourself a nice eyebrow thing that you can just throw on. One of these little dudes. Don't bother with the pencil. They take too long. That's my advice. All right. Next, we're going to do the blush. The blush is going to make you look not dead. Blush. And you're like, where do I put the blush? On your face. Anywhere on your face? Well, you know, in the middle part. Towards the middle, where you want people's attention to be. So I always bring it up on the bridge of your nose a little bit. So it makes you look a little bit more alive, and then use it like you would a highlighter, just lightly on your chin and a little bit here, because we're not using any contour, so it's sort of replacing that step. All right, we're not going for perfect, we're going for on. Next, we're going to take our cream highlighter and we're going to push it up. One little, there we go. I'm just going to put it here, and a little semicircle around my eyes to give my eyes a little bit of a pop. And then I'm going to just get that in with our beauty blender and be like, look how shiny and beautiful I am. So shiny and beautiful. Oh, I'm so shiny and beautiful. So shiny and beautiful. All right, just over the halfway mark of our 5 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna have to do this eye look quickly. I'm going to take my finger, do a little bit of Look how cute I am. See, that was quick. You look so alive. All right, we've got our brush. So these little palettes are great because they have the 3 colors all laid out for you. It's so wonderful. You're going to take the one in the middle. So I'm either going to use the top or the bottom. Today I feel like the bottom because it's going to go with my hoodie, which is a beautiful cranberry. So I'm going to take the shade that's in the middle and I'm going to put that a little bit higher than where my eye folds in. Okay, that is your crease. I'm going to get it all in there, and I'm not going to take 15 minutes to blend it in because I'm a mom. And this is a 5-minute look, not a 25-minute look. All right, once you've got that in there, you want to get just a tiny bit down on the lid. Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the darker one, and you're going to put it all over the outside of your lid on the one side and all over the outside of your lid on the other side. And you can blend it up into what you already did if you are so inclined. Got it? Excellent. Then we're going to take on your finger these shimmery shades. This you can see has a little shimmer in it. And just put that on the inside, and it's going to be oh so cute. Oh, so cute. And then we're going to just finish this up by putting a little bit of that same shimmer under your brow bone. All right, time for mascara. I'm going to take that same mascara that you had out. We're going to make your lashes bold and beautiful for less than 30 seconds. Don't take too much time. Brand them together, get some on your bottom lash. And this is the part I forgot, but fear not for too long. Oh, I need my trusty little mirror here. And there you have it. your final look. It didn't take forever. Nobody died. You can now go prevent your children from fighting with each other. You can go to the grocery store in 8 minutes, 7 minutes. We might have cheated a little, but still, you can do this. Take a little time for yourself and remember, you are a human too. You get to have the things in life that are important to you. Your children love you and look up to you. You are their favorite person. Oh, and we threw this in for fun. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you will come back and watch my next video. Please subscribe or watch this video over here, and I will see you next time. Bye.